Hey, hey. All right, you already know what I'm gonna ask. Hopefully you know. Hopefully you can tell a difference. Whew. Thank you for hopping on with me because it's the great brow and eyelash debate. Lord day. When you hop on here with me, say hey, and we're gonna get into it because if you're catching the replay, I want you to drop me a 2 down below and we're gonna get into this. I wanna give you options because I'm really hoping that you can tell a difference in what eyebrows and eyelashes make. I do not have on fake eyelashes. I have trouble getting them on. If you know how to do that, drop me a 3 below and we're gonna have to chat because Lord, I get them on and I'm afraid like I'm gonna be like all afternoon. Okay, hey Shelly, hey. Okay, so here's the deal. You have options, but today I'm gonna show you 2 ways that you can get eyelashes and eyebrows versus leaving your house looking like this. I plucked away in the 80s and y'all, they never came back. I don't know what's the deal. So if you're feeling me with that, please show me some love, okay? Let me know I'm not alone. All right, I am 52 years old. If you're in my club over 50, drop me your favorite emoji below and let me know you're in my club and we are gonna get moving, okay? I have a secret. I've stashed my mascara here in my favorite hiding place. So things can start warming up. I have my favorite One Step Fiber mascara warming up so we can get the show on the road. But in the meantime, it's like, have you guys ever seen that Too Faced thing where they like show like man and woman and man and woman? Yeah, okay, I almost feel like that when I have my lashes on and my eyebrows on because y'all, let's be serious, okay? If you can't tell the difference, I just don't know what to say. All right, so we're not gonna waste any more time. Let me show you how to get your brow on, girl. You can do it with an eyebrow gel. You can do it with a pencil. You can do it with eyeshadow. But for me, the quickest, easiest way is with the little pencil. So let's brush them up. There ain't much to brush, okay? When you get above your 40s, you just lose the tail. It's just gone. So you should have hair all the way to over here. Your arch should be here, right above your pupil. And y'all, you should have hair all the way out to over here. I am missing all this little pitifulness. So we're gonna draw it on together, okay? So that I have been known to leave my house kind of one done and one not done, or mascara on one and not on one. Yes, I have. Okay. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna just start drawing hair-like strokes up here where things just don't exist. Little hair-like strokes. If you're just learning how to do this, it's okay. It's okay. Shelly, yours are drawn on top, onto, girl, yes, you just draw it on. If you make a mistake, that's what concealer is for, okay? So we're just gonna draw, little hair-like strokes. You see how it's starting to even out? Okay, draw them on, girl, draw them on. And then take it over here, draw up your arch. Do you see where I'm missing all that hair? Girls, all right, fill it in, little hair-like strokes. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. All right, take it over. Hey, Lori. All right, pull it on over. You're actually making a template. When you go on top, you're just following your natural brow. Pull it over. Hang on, let me just twist up this little pencil. Use whatever you have. I am not telling you you have to use what I use. Just get you some brows on, y'all. Get you some brows on. To me, it literally takes years off of your face. It defines the shape of your face, too. Hey, Kathy. Okay. Go ahead and fill in And look, it is perfectly normal to have more hairs on one side than you do on the other. You're not trying to make them twins, make them sisters, okay? Just fill it in. All right, here we go. Hey, Kathy, thanks for saying hi. Pull it down. I'm just trying to even this situation out right here. Now listen, if you're over 40, don't make a big dramatic line all the way to down here. That's not what we're doing. That's not the business that we're in. We're trying to lift things up, right? You can even like do a little kick out. You can do that. You don't want to draw things down. We want to, everything we do, we want to pull up. Just keep that in mind, okay? Once you get your brow drawn on, take your spoolie and just brush through a little bit. It's going to help those little lines that you drew on to look more like hair-like strokes. Make it look a little more natural, okay? You don't want to look like Cruella de Vil, you know, and have that thick black line drawn on. That's not what we're going for either, okay? We're done. We're done with brows. I'm going to, sorry, pull out the secret stash, okay? A tip for when you're putting on your mascara, go ahead and apply your product straight on. You want to lay down all of your mascara. Go ahead and just get it on there. Then go back sideways and then pull it through. It's going to go on a lot quicker, thicker. It's going to make your lashes look more voluminous. Okay? Now, you can go on and put as many coats as you want on. Do it up, girl. If you want to have that falsy look, here's a trick I'm going to show you. Look, I already made a boo-boo. Let it stay. Let it stay. Don't stress. Let it go ahead and dry. All you're going to need is a Q-tip to get that off. I already have eyeshadow on, and it's not even going to pull off your eyeshadow. It's safe for contact lens wearers, which I already have in today. I've been trying to wear my contact lenses more, y'all. Are you proud? Okay, so let me show you the trick that I want to show you. Go ahead and put on eyeshadow. Yes, eyeshadow on your lashes. Just a little bit. I'm just dipping in. I'm putting on brown just because my eyelashes are brown. Just coat them. Just get it on there. Once you put your first layer of mascara on, just get you some eyeshadow on your lashes, okay? Then come back for your second coat of your mascara. Same thing, get your product on your lashes and then brush it through. You're literally gonna look like you have false lashes on. Since I obviously have trouble getting false lashes on my eyes. Again, if you have tips for me on that, drop them. Like, y'all, I have a whole box of them right here. A whole box. I'm scared to leave the house with them on. I'll probably be having dinner and one will plop down in my plate. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. That's what I'm afraid of. And y'all, my husband would probably take a picture and post it all over social media. That's just the kind of humor he thinks is hilarious. So no, we're not doing it. Okay. Here we go. I might just have to do that because we'd probably all get a kick out of that. Me trying to put on false lashes. We might have to do that. Okay. So there it is on the top. Let's go ahead, and I always put a little bit on my bottom lashes just because I like that look. Some people don't want mascara on their bottoms, and that's totally up to you. You do you, boo. Okay, totally different, don't you think? All right, I'm just gonna get my little mess up off with my Q-tip. There we go. And that's it, y'all. 2 products totally transforms, I think, in my opinion, the shape of your face. I think it takes years off. So for all my ladies who overplucked, do your brows, do your lashes, And I think it makes a big difference. So I asked for your opinion. Y'all drop it down below and let me know what you think. All right? And if you need any help color matching, I'm your girl. All right. I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Bye.